What's up, traders? I hope you all are doing well and I hope you all having a nice day. Right here, we got a big fall out of natural gas and all the commodity market is falling down, but nothing to worry as we are in the right direction. As per my yesterday's videos, we were expecting a market to hit this zone with a good entry reason, but we do not have an entry reason here or even here, so that's not to worry. So let me show you what I've said in my previous video. Now, if the next candle we will get is an engulfing candle, a move like this, then that will be another sign that the market will push up and continue its trends upward. And second move, let's say if we do not get any entry reason here, we might get an entry reason here again. And now if we do not get any entry reason here, then in that case, then we can expect a double bottom action. Now, if the market hit this zone, I want to see a bullish pressure from here to take my long trades. Now, if you are in my priority group, just look at this entry pattern right here. And now let me show you the two trades we have taken in our priority group. This is what I call a pullback entry. Let me show you that. Right here, we took this trade. If you see this pattern right here, and so if you see this pattern right here, and this was a trade I've sent in my priority group to the members, and with all the instruction, what I'm looking at and what to see in order to take pullback entries. So this was the one trade. Let me show you another trade now. Okay, right here, what do we have? We have another pullback entry. So this was a trade I've sent in my priority group. We took three trades in the group. One of them were a losing trade, but these two are the winning trade. And of course, you get a free signal on Telegram, and we have a good result there as well. So now, if you look at here, this is what you learn in priority group, and this is the exact same entry pattern you have got in here on natural gas. Let's go back there. Okay, right here, exactly the same pattern we got here on natural gas. And if you are learning from this group, make sure you also ask me as many questions as you want to. That is how you will learn. This is again not a signal group. I do not send tons of signal. You get 1 to 3 or around 4 to 5 priority trade signal. With that, you will learn the entry patterns and you will know when to take a trade in a right direction. So at this point, this would be an entry using our ATR, and this would be an exact take profit right here. Now, with this priority trade signals, you will not learn everything, but you will have a good idea and good understanding of how to take trades and what to look once you are taking entries, and so it will avoid you to take wrong trading decisions. I have my course coming up, and I just want to give you a good news. My website is almost done, and by next week I'm going to share my website with you, and I'm going to upload my basics and the intermediate section of the course, as well as I have only few videos left to make for my advanced section of the course. So you will learn every single thing I look for, entry patterns, all the other strategy you will learn there. So with that being said, this is how we take entries. And now if you want to join priority group, totally free if you join one of my partner brokers. Links are in the description. But if you do not want to join my partner broker, you have to pay a monthly fee, which is right here. All you need to do, just click on join, and with that you will get these two for free. You will get, once you join it, you can just click on your extra and download this for free, and you can get this free pattern indicator as well. So with that being said, let's start our analysis with natural gas, gold, and crude oil today. I will go through silver as well. What do we have here now? As you can see, the market has broken below this major level of support, which will now turn into resistance. What do we do in this case? You guessed it right. If you say we are not taking any buy trades anymore, let's mark the zone below now. Okay, right here we got our zones ready and done. Let me quickly show you why I'm paying attention to this zone. As you can see, this zone has acted as a very good support previously. Market pushed up dramatically, pushed down, pushed up from here, pushed down from here, go back and see further, pushed down dramatically, pushed down, and so forth. So this is the zone, very major level of support, and this will be your new buying zone. Just mark on your charts 5.006, that goes up to 5.341 here in the blue. The zone above, this is also a very important zone that has become your trend continuation zone right here, which is 6.488, that goes down to 6.151. By the way, I do send these zones, the forex zones, to priority members every single week. So now this is a zone you need to pay attention to. What will happen now? go back on 4-hour time frame, we can either expect a push up in this zone, and from here we can get another bearish candle. If we have a pullback, this is your pullback zone. Now let's use our Fibonacci tool to see our pullback as well, or 50% retracement from here, right here. So this is the buffer zone that is exactly aligning with our resistance as well. This is your pullback zone. 50% retracement is 6.063. That goes up to 6.280. This is your buffer zone. Just mark on your charts. Again, guys, conditions are really important. So only enter with a good condition, and only then you will get your rewards of your patience. So now this is your buffer zone. In the blue you can see here, mark this on your charts. So if you get a pullback, this 50% can be the aggressive entry, and then 180R or this green zone will be your target, 5.331. That will be the case if we have a push up, push down. Now mark these zones on a chart. This is what I'm looking at. This is your buying zone, this is your selling zone. I have both zones on your charts. Let's go on Awanda and let me show the zones there as well. Okay, we have the zones ready here on Awanda as well, and get it ready on your charts. We have this zone above. I've just readjusted this zone here as well. Zone above is the resistance 5.866 that goes up to 6.259. This is a resistance zone, and now we have another zone below, which is 4.891, goes up to 5.244. Let me show you why this is a zone I'm paying attention to. Market has pushed up from here, push down from here, push down from here. Let's go back and see. Right here you can see market pushed down as a resistance, resistance, support, support. So this is the major level of support and our area of value from where we will look for our counter trades. Now we have a zone above our trend continuation zone. We will pull up our Fibonacci tool like this, mark your buffer zones right here. 5.918 goes up to 6.095. Now if we get a retracement, we can either get a 50% retracement or we can get inside this box. Once we have this retracement, the aggressive way to enter is right here, the hit of this box to take short trades, or the less aggressive way to wait in the box and see a good bearish engulfing candle. You will learn that everything in the course as well, the exact rules. So I have a reason to plot Fibonacci, and I have all my rules met. That's why I'm plotting Fibonacci tool. Do not just mark it anywhere in the market. So now at this point, this is your pullback zone, and we have a zone here, a counter trading zone from where I will look for a nice engulfing candle or a double bottom entry pattern once we hit inside this zone. So have these zones on your charts. Keep an eye here. And that's all for natural gas. Let's jump on to gold. Okay, right here, what do we have here? If you have seen my yesterday's video, and if you have entered this trade with this engulfing candle, you got a nice $13 move, and your take profit has been hit today with a wick of this green candle. It was a nice trade. So at this point, gold is in the minor level of support. So now at this point, what you need to see this zone, which is 1804. Now, if you have a good break and close below this zone will become your trend continuation zone to take your short trades. Now, if you get a good bullish candle right here, then that will be a signal that market will likely to push up, or that would be a signal of a retracement. At this point, gold is below all the EMAs and now is inside our minor zone. Minor zone is not usually a strongest zone, so that is why I will be really careful to take my buy trades. I want to see a double bottom action. I won't be entering with an engulfing candle here because market is in a strong bearish momentum. But at this point, I will be very careful to take an entry for gold. It might fall from here as well. So if we have a good break and close below, we will use this zone as a trend continuation zone, and then the next zone we have is 1788, from where I will look for my counter trade. This will be my buying zone from where I will look to enter my buy trades only. Let's check silver. Okay, as per my yesterday's video, we did not get any sort of entry pattern right here. Instead, market has broken below this zone and now is pushing down. At this point, we can expect a push up, and then we can expect another bearish candle from silver. And if we have a push up from here, we can enter the trade, and this will be your target, 19.96. If you have a good retracement and look for a good bearish engulfing candle to enter in a less aggressive way. So silver looks bearish to me as well at this point, as it has now broken below this minor level of support that has now turned into resistance, and the next support we have is 19.50 that goes down to 18.87. If the market push down, this is the zone I will look to take my counter trades from as an engulfer or double bottom move. Let's check crude oil. Okay, what do we have? If you remember, I have removed this zone from my previous video, but I have noticed that market did reacted out of this zone. As you can see, this zone is a minor zone, and this zone pushed the market down. And if you see that once the market break and close below 50 EMA, we had a pullback, and then we had this bearish engulfing candle, and then market pushed down at this point. It is now below this zone, this green zone, which is previously a support. 108.70 goes up to 112.144. It is now below this zone. Now if we have a good push down and broken below this previous low, then the next counter trading zone I have is 99.55 that goes down to 95.50. This is my counter trading zone. If we have a push down, I will take my counter trades, my buy trades from. But if we have a push down and then we have a retest of this zone and with an engulfing candle or bearish pressure, I will take my sell trades out of this zone, which I will update you guys as usual every single day. So if you are new to this channel, hit the subscribe button so that you won't miss an update like this every single day. And if you're already subscribed, do not forget to hit a like button for me. So that's all for commodity market, guys. If you have any questions, buzz me on Instagram. I'll get back to you ASAP. I hope you trade green the rest of the week. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.